machine. I call it the snack giver. Before I tell you how this works, I will say that a Rube Goldberg machine is a machine that does a simple task in a complicated way. I say complicated because it's so simple to get up from my desk and grab the bag of chips. But in this machine, I use an inclined plane, a lever, a pulley, a screw, and a wheel and axle, which is this car. First, I would unscrew the screw, holding the car in place. The car has potential energy, which is the energy inside an object which is not moving. Then the car would roll down the inclined plane. The potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy can be transferred. Then the car would hit the dominoes, creating a chain reaction and make the dominoes tip. The dominoes would push the golf ball onto the lever's, one of the lever's ends. Then the lever would push the roll of tape attached to the string of the pulley off the table. Then the string would tighten until it reaches an angle. When it reaches the angle, the bag of chips would slide down to Sam, my sister, and I. The hardest part of this machine was the pulley. At first I had 2 pulleys and a tape that was being used already, but it did not work. The effort was not heavy enough to pull up the load. So then we tried other things, but it still did not work. So we removed one of the pulleys and used a pail or some golf balls with some rocks. But it still didn't work because the tape was over here on the pulley and kept tipping over, so it didn't go off the table. But then I had an idea. I thought up all on my own. I thought of putting the tape onto this groove on the lever. So when we tried it out, it worked perfectly. It rolled off the table and tipped off the table. So we tried it a few more times and it still worked. That's how we know we could rely on it.